In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a purge valve solenoid on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Remove the engine cover, lift straight up and pop it off the grommets. Using a 10mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the clamp for the intake. Pop the clips for the air box. There's 2 on the top and then 2 down on the back. Lift the intake up and we're going to slide it off of the throttle body. And tilt it over just like that. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp on the front of the purge valve, slide it down. Pull the hose off of the purge valve. There's one more clamp on the back side. Do the same thing. Pinch it, pull it back. Pop the hose off. We're going to remove the connector for the purge valve. We're going to push on this bottom tab right here and push the connector back. That's the big tab. You're just going to pull up on it. Using a small pick, we're going to push on this tab in the middle under the purge valve. And after we do that, wiggle the purge valve back and forth, working it off of the bracket. This is a tight squeeze, but you can get it out. Push it all the way off and remove the purge valve. Install the purge valve. Get it lined up on the bracket and slide it down. Before we fully slide it in, I'm going to install the hoses. These are very short hoses and not super easy to maneuver. Don't be afraid about muscling them into place. Push the purge valve all the way back into position. Make sure it's locked in. Pinch the clamp and return it to its original position. Do the same thing on the back side. Make sure your hoses are fully seated. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the intake. Install the clips for the air box. Clip the ones in the back as well. Install the intake onto the throttle body. Snug the clamp down. Install the engine cover. Push straight down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.